Hola, bienvenido a Familia Terrero y hoy tenemos una invitada especial.
Hi, I'm Ximena and today we will be doing pumpkin spice. Bye!
So, what goes into pumpkin spice?
Whipped cream, cinnamon, graham crackers, vanilla pudding, pumpkin syrup, a plastic spoon, a glass cup, Ziploc, and a roller.
So now that we know the ingredients, what do we do now?
Let's get started! 2 graham crackers, then put them into 2 halves, put it in the Ziploc, close it, and then you need to mash it. Roll it, then mash it then. So we will need to pour the graham crackers into the cup. If some graham crackers spill, don't worry. It's fine. Now we will need the vanilla pudding. Put all of it. Now you will need the pumpkin. You'll probably need the whole pumpkin spice.
So what do we do now?
We will mix all of this, and even the graham crackers, and also the vanilla pudding. Don't forget that.
So we want to make sure we mix everything well?
Yes. Yay, we got the pumpkin spice, but we only need the whipped cream and cinnamon on top of the whipped cream. Now let's head on onto those. Yep, now it's all good. Now cinnamon time.
That looks delicious.
Yep, now you're all ready. Enjoy your dessert.
Wow, Ximena, that looks delicious.
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay. It's really good. The texture's soft. It's sweet. The whipped cream and the cinnamon give it a really special touch. Can I try another one? What about you? What do you like about it?
I like the pumpkin taste and also the soft texture of the whipped cream and also the cinnamon. It's very good.
So if you want, feel free to make the pumpkin spice. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep, and turn on the notifications. Bye.